Welcome learners to Form 2 Mathematics. Form 2 Mathematics. Let us look at this question to do with the linear inequalities. It is to do with shading of the unwanted region. So we are told, show the region that satisfies the following inequalities. Show the region that satisfies the following inequalities by shading the unwanted region. By shading the unwanted region. So learner, we have three inequalities here. So how do you go about this? You take the first inequality, 5x plus 3y greater than 15. The first step, learner, when handling these things is that you first get the equation of the line. So you come and write 5x plus 3y is equal to, replace the inequality sign with equal to, and then you write whatever else is on the right hand side. So this is the equation of the line that you go to put on a Cartesian plane. From there, learner, you make y the subject of the formula so that you can be able to plot it. So you talk of 3y is equals to 15. Take this to this side, you get minus 5x. From there, divide here by 3 to be left with y by 3 by 3. So y, learner, is equals to this, divided by this is 5 minus 5 over 3x. From here, you now make a table. You want to go and plot this line. Make a table, learner. Making a table, you fix x there and y there. You come here, learner, you want to fix values of x here so that you get values of y. Maybe you can just consider 3 values of x. Fix an x like 0, 0. Then go to 3 so that to avoid the decimals, pick suitable values of x like 0. Then go to 3 so that it can cancel out with this. Fix a 3 there to avoid decimals. If you fix a 1, you will get a decimal. 2, you will get a decimal. So 3, it is okay because it will cancel out with the denominator. The denominator is the one that determines what to fix here. So from there, you can pick a multiple of 3 like 6. 6 is visible by 3. Then, learner, come and fix your y's. When x is 0 here, learner, when x is 0, what do we mean? What will be your y? Your y will be 5 minus 5 over 3, and you fix a 0 there. 0 multiplied by this fraction will be 0. So 5 minus 0 gives you 5. So your y will be 5. Come and fix it there. When x is 3, learner, you do the same. Y will be equals to 5 minus 5 over 3 here, and then you fix your 3 here. Fixing the 3 like that. You will see that the 3's will cancel out. You'll be left with 5 minus 5, which is 0. When x is 6, you do the same. Look at this, Form 2 work, and also Form 1. Look at this, you fix your 6 there. So cancelling out, learner, like that. This becomes 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 minus 10, learner, gives you minus 5. And there you are. This table now will help us to plot our line. The first point will be at 0, 5. Look at that, 0, 5. The other one will be at 3, 0. And the other point will be at 6, negative 5. Those points will help us to draw our line. We go to the second inequality, learner. The second inequality is this one here. We put it here, number 2. 6y plus 5x, learner, is less than 30. Again, the first step is to write the equation of the line like this. You replace this with equal to, and you write like that. So this is our second line. This is the line. So to be able to plot it, make y the subject of the formula. So 6y is equals to 30. Take this to the other side, it becomes minus 5x. From there, Lana, divide by 6 here, divide by 6 there, divide by 6. You find that this will cancel out. So your y, Lana, is equals to 5 minus 5 over 6 x. Put a table, Lana, just like we've done above. So you put a table, you can pick 3 values of x. Suitable values again because of this denominator. We start with 0 so that we get whole numbers values of y. Go to 6, fix a 6 here so that you have 40 decimals. The 6 will cancel out with 6. Then pick a multiple of 6, which is 12, to give you whole number values of y. Again, come and substitute line. When x is 0 here, y will be equals to 5 minus 5 over 6. Fix a 0 there. This becomes a 0, so 5 minus 0 is 5. Put it here. The same thing, put 6. Look at this, put a 6 there. So this and this Lana will cancel out. It will be like 5 minus 5, which is 0. Continue like that, fix a 12, and you get that the value of y Lana will be negative 5. That is the other table, which will help us now to plot these points and get the line like that. Sorry, this is 5 to the negative 5. From there, Lana, we go to the third one. The third one is easy because it is y greater than or equal to 0. The equation of the line will be just that. Y is equals to 0. We go to plotting. Now go to plotting. So you draw the lines. How do you draw the lines? Here we have. What is the first line, Lana? First line. First line is where here it is. You want to plot this 0, 5, fix it there. You go to 3, 0. There we are. 6, negative 5, 6 is there. Negative 5 is here, line like that. Then you join all these with a ruler, the points with a ruler. What kind of a line will you fix? That is the other question, line. Look at this. You fix a solid line because the inequality here was accompanied by an equal to sign. Once it is accompanied by an equal to sign, the line is solid. It is not broken. So this is our line. There is our line, and then you label it using your equation. You can use this equation here. So 5x plus 3y is equals to 15. Labeling is very important. Then you ask yourself, Lana, look at this. Our inequality was 5x plus 3y. Let me write it here for you to see. Is like that. Our inequality was that. The equation of the line, Lana, is this. This is the equation. Where do we shade? We shade the unwanted region. How do we get the unwanted region? Do we shade this side or this side, Lana? So what you do is that you come to the equation of the line, this one here. Pick a point on either side, either this side or this other side. Like now I can pick a point 0, 0, the origin, 0, 0 on this side. It will tell me whether this side is less than or greater than. If this is less than, this will be greater than. So pick a point 0, 0, like that. Then this is your x and this is your y. Fix them here, Lana. You see that 5 multiplying what? Okay, 5, sorry. You multiply with 0, you just substitute here, plus 3, multiply with this 0, 0 there, and this other side you write 15. Look at that, Lana. That other side you write 15. Don't put equal to here. So this gives you 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, Lana. On the other side we had 15. 15. So which inequality sign will you put here, Lana? The inequality sign that you put here is less than. 0 is less than 15. 0 is less than 15. So Lana, this means that this side is less than. This side is less than. For any point that you picked here, this side will be less than and this would be greater than. And we want which side, learner? Greater than. We want this side greater than. So you shade the less than side. Look at that. I hope you understand. I repeat, because that is what we are going to do to the others. After picking a point, you fix this x here and the y here, then you compare 0 with 15. So it gives you less than. This side is less than, this is greater than. Which side do you want? You want greater than. Greater than is this. So I shade the side that I don't want like that. Good. From there, learner, we go to the second one. The second inequality is this. Can just write here. The second inequality was what? The second equation. Let us first draw the line. Draw the line. So we drew the line which we are our coordinates. There we are. I hope you can see them. There we are. So 0, 5, learner, look at that. 0, 5, so 0, 5, the second line. Then 6, 0, 6, 0, learner. 6, 0, there we are. And then 12, negative 5, 12, here it is, and negative 5 is here, learner. So we join using a ruler. We join those 3 points. There we are. Is it solid or broken? It is solid because of this equal to sign. So solid line. So solid line, learner. Come and draw it there. So there we are. Label the line. The line is 6y plus 5x is equals to 30. That is the line. Maybe I can join, I can darken this line here so that we see it clearly. So there is our line. From there again, where do we shade line? Come and write your inequality. Your inequality is 6y plus 5x less than 30. It was that. This is what we want, less than or equal to 30. You come and write your line. Sorry. Write your equation. There we are. So from there you pick a point. Look at this, learner. You either pick a point on this side or this side to tell you where to shade. You pick this side or that side. Let us pick this side, like 4, 1. Look at that point. 4, 1. Pick a point, 4, 1, so that it tells you where to shade. This is your x coordinate and this is y. So you fix them here, substitute them. This gives you 6 in bracket 1 plus 5 in bracket 4. We are just substituting the values of x and y. And on this other side, write 30. Do not write equal to. We want to fix an inequality here. So this gives you 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20 gives you 26, learner. On this side, 26. And this other side we have 30. So 26 is less than. 26 is less than, learner. Look at that. 26 is less than. So this side here, learner. This side of this line, we are talking about this line. So this side is less than, this side is greater than. Which side do we want? Look at this inequality. We want less than. And therefore, this is the side that we want. We want this side. So we shade the other side. And that is a very important step, learner. Where do we shade? We shade the unwanted side. Like now we wanted the less than side. And less than, we have proved that it is this side here. And we are through with that. Then we go to the third one. The third one, learner, is easy. So, the third one, we have the line. We had the inequality. Y is greater than 0. Y is greater than 0. And the line was y is equals to 0. Which is this line, learner? Y is equals to 0 refers to the x-axis. It refers to the x-axis, the line that cuts the y-axis at 0. This is the line y is equals to 0. Where do we want? We want the side y is greater than 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. So we want this side, the upper side. Or you can still pick a point. Pick a point. Where do we want? We have this line. Pick a point like 4, 1. The same point 4, 1. This is your y. Here we just want the y. The y is 1. So you have 1. You substitute here 1 and 0 there. 1 and 0. Look at that. I've just referred to the same point here, which is above the line y is equals to 0. So this is 1. I fix it here. 1 and 0 on this side. 1 and 0. So this is greater than. 1 is greater than. So learner, this side here is greater than. This is the side that we want. So we shade the region which is below y is equals to 0. And therefore, learner, this is our unshaded region. This is the region that satisfies the 3 inequalities. Okay, I wish you all the best, learner. Go and follow this example slowly. You internalize and then you go and try out with others. God bless you, learners, as you go to practice. Thank you.